Over time, homes naturally accumulate belongings. Furniture, boxes, keepsakes, and everyday items can slowly fill rooms, garages, and storage areas. When managing an estate, whether due to downsizing, relocation, or life transition, the volume of items can feel overwhelming. For families in Austin, estate cleanouts provide a practical and supportive way to reclaim living space and restore comfort to the home. Turning overcrowded rooms back into functional spaces. When belongings build up, rooms often lose their intended purpose. Guest bedrooms become storage areas. Dining rooms turn into box-filled sorting spaces. Garages overflow with items that no longer serve the household. Estate cleanouts help Austin families remove unnecessary clutter so each room can return to its original function. Reclaiming these areas creates more usable living space and restores balance to the home. Reducing emotional stress during transitions. Estate cleanouts are often tied to significant life changes. Sorting through belongings can be emotionally challenging as well as physically demanding. Professional estate cleanout services in Austin help families navigate this process with greater ease. By handling large volumes of items efficiently and respectfully, they allow families to focus on what matters most during times of transition. Clearing out large or heavy items. Estate cleanouts frequently involve bulky furniture, appliances, and accumulated household goods that are difficult to move without assistance. Austin families benefit from having experienced teams manage heavy lifting and removal. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of injury or property damage. Making downsizing more manageable. When relocating to a smaller home or simplifying living arrangements, deciding what to keep and what to remove can be overwhelming. Estate cleanouts in Austin help families sort through belongings and remove items that no longer fit their new lifestyle. The result is a smoother downsizing process and a more organized living environment. Improving organization and accessibility. Cluttered spaces make it difficult to locate important documents, sentimental items, or daily essentials. By clearing out excess belongings, estate cleanouts help Austin families reorganize their homes more effectively. This improves accessibility and supports everyday convenience. Preparing a property for sale or rental. In some cases, estate cleanouts are necessary before listing a property. A cleared and organized home in Austin presents better to potential buyers or renters. Reclaimed living space highlights the home's layout and potential, making it easier for others to envision living there. Creating a healthier indoor environment. Excess clutter can collect dust and limit airflow. Removing unnecessary items improves cleanliness and air circulation. Austin families often notice that once spaces are cleared, the home feels fresher, brighter, and more comfortable. Restoring peace and comfort. Living in a cluttered environment can create ongoing stress. Crowded rooms and packed storage areas can make a home feel chaotic rather than restful. Estate cleanouts help Austin families restore order and peace. Open, organized spaces promote relaxation and a greater sense of control. Supporting a fresh start. Whether the goal is to simplify, relocate, or move forward after a major life event, reclaiming space can be an important step. Estate cleanouts in Austin provide families with the opportunity to start fresh. Clearing out the old makes room for new experiences, new memories, and new possibilities. A practical path to reclaimed living space. Reclaiming living space is about more than removing items. It's about restoring comfort, functionality, and peace of mind. For families in Austin, estate cleanouts offer an efficient and supportive solution. By clearing clutter, managing heavy lifting, and helping prepare homes for the next chapter, estate cleanouts allow families to transform crowded spaces into welcoming, usable living areas once again.